Hey everyone, welcome back to Whispers Through the Past. Dinosaurs are often depicted as gigantic, ferocious beasts, the kings and queens of their era, ruling over the planet with their might and power. But what if I told you that these mighty creatures also had a softer side? What if they weren't just ruthless predators or gentle giants, but also caring parents? Today we're going to talk about a topic that might surprise you: dinosaur dating. Yes, you heard it right. We're not talking about how old a particular dinosaur fossil is, but the dating habits of these extinct animals. How did they find their perfect match? Did they have courtship rituals? And how did they balance their love lives with being the top predators or prey animals of their time? Stay tuned till the end because we'll also share some interesting facts about dinosaur reproduction. So without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing world of dinosaur dating. The very first thing we have to discuss when it comes to dinosaur dating is how they found their potential partners. Considering their size, some of them must have been spotted from miles away, while others might have preferred to hide until they were ready to approach their crush. Now imagine you're a tiny ornithomimus, a plant-eating dinosaur with a long neck and small head, weighing about 1.5 tons. You're grazing peacefully with your herd when suddenly you sense danger lurking nearby. A group of ferocious raptors are stealthily approaching your position, ready to pounce on unsuspecting prey. Your heart pounds in your chest as you try to assess the situation and make a plan. Do you flee with the herd? Do you try to blend in with the tall plants? Or do you stand your ground and face the danger head-on? As the raptors close in on you, you know you need to act fast. Suddenly you remember a secret passageway you discovered earlier, a narrow opening concealed by dense foliage. With a surge of adrenaline, you dart toward the passageway, hoping it will lead you to safety. The raptors, caught off guard by your sudden movement, hesitate for a moment before giving chase. Can you outrun them? Will you find safety in the passageway? As the suspense builds, the fate of the ornithomimus hangs in the balance. Will it escape the clutches of the raptors? Only time will tell. Now let's switch gears and talk about another dinosaur, the Giganotosaurus, a massive carnivore weighing up to 7 tons. Finding a partner for such a large animal would require a different strategy. They probably relied on visual cues during mating season, attracting potential partners with vibrant colors or impressive displays of strength. Imagine the following scenario. You are a young male Giganotosaurus, looking for your one true love. You roam the vast plains of South America, the roaring king of your domain. Suddenly you spot a beautiful female of the same species in the distance. She is majestic, powerful, and you know she is the one for you. You begin to approach her cautiously, not wanting to scare her away. Then it's time to put on a show. You puff out your chest, arch back, and let out a deafening roar that echoes across the landscape. This is your chance to impress her. Will she be captivated by your display of dominance, or will she be frightened by your ferocious energy? The fate of your romantic prospects hangs in the balance as the female watches intently, waiting for you to reveal whether you have what it takes to be her mate. When it comes to dating and mating habits of herbivorous dinosaurs, it's important to note that they likely followed similar strategies as other large plant-eating animals. They probably used visual cues and vocalizations to attract potential partners during mating season. For example, the sauropods, the largest herbivorous dinosaurs, likely used a combination of visual displays and sounds to communicate during courtship. Their long necks could be raised high above their heads in a form of visual dominance display, while their deep bellows could carry for miles across the landscape. These displays could serve to attract potential mates and establish dominance over other males. Another herbivorous dinosaur, the Stegosaurus, had a more subtle approach to dating. Their armor-like plates along their back may have served as a visual signal to potential partners, with brighter colors or patterns indicating sexual maturity and readiness to mate. During mating season, the male stegosaurs could have engaged in elaborate courtship rituals, such as swaying their bodies side to side or performing high-stepping walks to display their fitness as a mate. However, not all dinosaurs had the luxury of a peaceful dating life. Theropod dinosaurs, such as the velociraptor, lived in a world where survival meant constantly looking over your shoulder. These agile predators had to balance finding a partner with the constant threat of being hunted themselves. To increase their chances of success in both areas, they developed clever strategies to ensure their survival. For instance, the velociraptors likely formed strong social bonds within their groups, working together to hunt for food and protect each other from predators. These bonds may have also played a role in their mating habits, with pairs or even small groups engaging in cooperative breeding. This allowed multiple individuals to care for the young, increasing the chances of survival for the next generation. Despite the challenges they faced, theropods like the velociraptor managed to thrive, demonstrating the adaptability and resourcefulness of these fascinating creatures. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate question: how did dinosaurs engage in courtship rituals? Just like today's birds, dinosaurs likely used a variety of vocalizations, visual displays, and even tactile interactions to attract their potential partners. The exact nature of these rituals varied depending on the species, but some common elements included elaborate dances, synchronized movements, and even gift-giving. The idea of dinosaurs engaging in gift-giving might seem far-fetched, but evidence suggests that some species, such as the ornithomimus, may have presented potential partners with food or other tokens of affection. By understanding the various ways in which dinosaurs courted their partners, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of their behavior. What surprised me the most when researching dinosaur dating is that these creatures weren't just mindless killing machines or gentle giants. They were complex, fascinating animals with rich social lives, much like today's animals. It's important to remember that not all dinosaurs were the same. They had different behaviors, social structures, and ways of finding their partners. While some dinosaurs like the T-Rex were solitary hunters, others like the ornithomimus lived in herds. This means that their dating habits and mating rituals would have been vastly different. Now, some may have courted multiple partners, while others may have formed lifelong bonds. It's fascinating to think that these creatures, which once roamed the earth and ruled the planet, had such diverse and intricate social lives. Their dating habits, while vastly different from our own, offer a glimpse into the incredible complexity of these prehistoric animals. So the next time you think of dinosaurs, remember, they weren't just monsters or gentle giants, but complex, fascinating animals with rich social lives, including a variety of dating habits. But now it's your turn. What do you think about dinosaur dating? How do you think they found their perfect match? And what kind of courtship rituals did they perform? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes filled with history, mysteries, and adventures. We've got plenty of surprises in store for you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.